So we're taking it back to a Lokshili, pure kasi flavor. If you're not South African, you must be asking yourself, what is it? Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Mac and this is Mac Loves Cooking. When I think about Chakalaka, I think about the summer. I think about all the joyful times that we spent with family, that we spent with friends, at barbecues. You know, Chakalaka symbolizes that period. It's a staple amongst South African citizens. I'm gonna show you how easy it is for you to prepare your very own Chakalaka recipe. I mean, it's the best I've ever tasted.
We'll first start with our chicken. You can either have it grilled or baked. I chose the latter. I'm using foil as it's easier to clean up after. Now get your chicken thighs, legs or quarter legs, whichever part of the chicken that you enjoy. So for our seasoning, we're gonna use my famous chicken dust recipe. Add in 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Get a whisk and mix the spices thoroughly. Start by drizzling a small amount of oil on the chicken before seasoning it, as this will help the spices to adhere better. Now sprinkle and massage the chicken mixture into the meat. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. Now organize all your ingredients needed for the chakalaka. All of them are listed in the description down below. Olive oil in the pan, about 2 tablespoons on medium heat. First going in will be the onions. Saute until translucent for about 2 minutes. Add in 1 chopped chili, 2 crushed cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Fry until fragrant. Add in about 2 tablespoons of curry powder and stir to combine. Be careful not to burn it. Now add in the chopped bell peppers. You will need 1/2 of green bell pepper, 1/2 of a yellow bell pepper, and 1/2 of red bell pepper. Cook that for about 2 minutes. And then add in about 5 grated carrots. Once they become soft, add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 can of crushed tomatoes, or about 3 large chopped tomatoes, and cook that for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take your skillet off the heat and add in 1 can of baked beans with their tomato sauce. Two sprigs of thyme and grate in 1 tablespoon of fresh ginger. Stir and season with salt and pepper accordingly to your desired taste. You can serve your chakalaka either hot or cold. Well, I prefer cold. About 40 minutes, your chicken will be done.
Yo, so my mouth is watering right now, guys. We've come to the end. Let's see what we got here. Check this out. Check this out. My mouth is watering for this. Ooh, baby. I like that subtle flavor of thyme on top. At the end, I just finish off with thyme. It's not spicy at all. I used mild curry powder. For you people who don't like spicy food, use mild curry powder. This is like the perfect side dish. If I was a vegan, I'd have this twice a week. I don't know if vegans can eat this. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. South Africa's best side dish. A braai, a barbecue is never complete without some chakalaka. This is so good, I almost forgot about the chicken dust. We call this quarter leg chicken dust. Nando's, hit me up. I got a new recipe for you. Chicken dust. Look at this. This is pure filth. It is pure filth. Look at the dust on top. It's like I left the window open and it was a windy day outside. Just tore it apart. Clean the bone. It's so good it cleans the bone. Don't sleep on the spice mixture, guys. Don't sleep on it. This chicken dust right here. Can you hear that? You hear that? This right here is the best part of the meat. This is the best part of the chicken. The chicken thigh. So soft, so juicy. I'm gonna show you. Put it inside. Takes no effort, guys. Quarter leg chickens, chicken dust, spiced mixture. Put it together in the oven. You don't do anything. You just sit there and wait for it. And when it comes out, you dust that chicken off. Chicken dust, leg. If you agree with me that chakalaka is the best side dish in African cuisine, hit a like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell button to be sure not to miss out on any upcoming videos or recipes. So I'm Meg from Meg Loves Cooking, signing out. Peace!